How to return seen items. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to return seen items. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Scene application on your device and then make sure to log into your account. So once you have done that, you need to select the Me icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now, you need to simply choose Processings from this My Order section at top left corner of the screen. And now here you will see all the items which has been processing and you have so in order to return an item first and foremost select the item, then tap on the option of return item which will be given at the bottom. Select on the option, then you have to provide a reason why you want to return the item. Simply you need to tap on the drop icon and select for a region, then tap on the next step. Moving on the second step, you need to select a V method would be that the post office, courier or more. Select your method then tap on the submit option. Once you hit on submit, it will give you a verification regarding your written item being submitted successfully. Now, kindly mind it, you need to physically enter your post office if you want to return the item via post office, and the refund will take at least 2 to 3 business days. And it's a wrap up for this video. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.